Welcome aboard the Sea Ray L550 2018 model that we just got in stock. Keeping the boat inside our air-conditioned showroom here and go through a couple features on the boat. First, we've got a teak hydraulic swim platform, which is right here. We put the chocks inside these guide rails here. But one of the neatest features of this particular hydraulic swim platform is it has a ladder built into it. As you lower the platform, this ladder extends. It allows you to walk from the deck down to the swim platform safely. One really nice feature that the 55 offers is some great fender storage and line storage in the rear here in the aft of the boat. This is always a difficult place in a lot of boats to find where you're going to put all of your fenders and lines. Come on up the teak steps into the aft deck here. Got a real nice aft deck table. You have an awning that goes across the back to allow for shade when you're out on a hot sunny day. And when you're pulling up to the marina, you have the opportunity to come back here and have a joystick docking with the Caterpillar twin 900 horsepower C12s. A couple other features in the back here is we've got an ice maker as well as a nice grill across the back. As we make our way into the salon, the galley is aft in this particular boat, which makes it really nice to have some great entertaining area close to the aft deck. Dark wood floors, platinum package inside. We did a wine cooler, which is really nice inside here, as well as we got a full Sea Ray China package, which all your wine glasses, all your cups, and all your plates are in this area. Real nice feature. Everything's got a home. All your wine glasses, all in foam, so that they can actually, when you're traveling, they don't break. Large, big screen TV that's on a lift, which makes this real nice for traveling. You make your way up here into the upper salon area, and just a great entertaining area with an open sunroof above you. So on those nice days out, those evenings, you can really enjoy this area. As you make your way up toward the helm, you got bow and stern thrusters on this boat, as well as twin G165 Raymarine screens. These are the latest and greatest, all touch screen. And then as we make our way down the stairs, we have 3 staterooms and 2 heads in this boat. Make your way down into the master stateroom. Nice queen-size bed. We decided on this particular boat not to do the sofa seating over here on the port side and to allow this area to be for drawer storage, as well as a refrigerator that's built in right here. On this wall over here, we've got side-by-side washer and dryers over just one unit that actually washes and dries. So that's a real nice feature as well. Nice closet storage there, and some really nice closet cedar line storage here as well. This is a very nice full beam master. As you make your way back up the steps here, got a nice separate shower and separate head and toilet area. Back into the lower companionway, there's 2 more staterooms forward. The one on the starboard side here is twin singles, and then one in the bow up here is a queen. Both of these share the bathroom right here with a separate shower. If this room is the only one occupied, you can actually lock this door off, and this becomes a private head for your VIP guests. Now as we turn around and we make our way back up into the salon, you can kind of see from that angle how roomy this boat is and how you can open up this boat to be one amazing day boat, as well as a week boat into the Bahamas or the Keys, and really enjoy your time. So any questions, please give us a call. Look forward to working with you on this nice 2018 55 Sundancer.